Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Snapchat Plus subscription. First of all you have to do is open your Snapchat application and click on your profile on the top left corner. From here you will see Snapchat Plus. If you have subscribed to the Snapchat, then all you have to do is open your Play Store and then click on your profile icon. From here you will see payments and subscriptions. So if you are subscribed to Snapchat Plus, you will see you have to go to the subscriptions, and there you will be able to see all of your subscribed or the subscriptions that you have purchased from Google Play Store. If you have a Snapchat Plus subscriptions, you will see Snapchat in this list. So if you see Snapchat, all you have to do is click on the remove option from here and your subscription will be removed from Snapchat. And there is another way of canceling your Snapchat Plus subscription. Open your Snapchat once again, go to the settings. From here you will see Snapchat Plus. If you are subscribed, then you will be able to see the subscribe option that you are subscribed. You have to click on it and then you have to select cancel subscription, and then your Snapchat subscription or the Snapchat Plus subscription will be cancelled. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.